Yes, sir.
Let me share screen. Okay, so let us continue from where we stopped. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. So we thought of building product management system, right? Product management system, which will help to maintain product data for e-commerce sellers, right? So here, first, let's say we are from the development team, right? Basically, here we are the software team. We have to start. We have to start from the requirements gathering. For implementing this system, we have to collect the requirements. So we have a business guy. Let's say, as we see yesterday, right? Apario was selling products here. So this guy was the seller. Okay. So let's say here we have one seller. So he is the seller. For him, want to business the want to build the product management system for the seller. Now he will bring the requirements to us. Okay. So he will bring the business requirements to us. Our BA will connect with Apario business team. This BA business analyst. Okay, business analyst from software development team. Let's say we are from RBU Tech. I will assign one BA for this project First, I'll ask him to collect the requirements. Is it only BA need to collect it? Yeah. Who is having idea on this particular domain, on this product management system or e-commerce? If can hire, if you can hire that BA business analyst, and if you deploy as he is having previous experience, he can do better requirement collections. Let's say if you don't have any idea on e-commerce system, if you come from different insurance background or banking background, if I assign that person to e-commerce as he don't know much about this e-commerce domain, he may not talk about offers. In banking, they may not say about offers, coupons and all, right? The terminology or the business itself, he may feel completely different. As I have little knowledge, I was able to explain you about how product management system will be maintained and how this data will be published because of my previous working knowledge. So the same way, I have to deploy a BA here who is having this product management system knowledge or e-commerce knowledge here, who is having previous experience. That's how teams, or that's how we will hire the developers, right? In case if you are getting a new project, we will try to find out the developers who is having similar experience so that they can understand business easily and they can code it. So here, this business guy, business analyst, will connect with Appario and will collect all the requirements. Business analyst collect requirements from Appario. So he will prepare a business requirement documents. A BRD will be prepared. So first, from where to start, how to start? So he will ask, what is your business? What do you want to do on very high level? Okay. The business need he will understand. So what is the business with this? So the main requirement he will explain on high level. As a vendor, Appario wants to sell products want to sell which product, any kind of product, or we need to specify that. If you say I wanted to sell any product, you need to design a system. We cannot able to design screens. If you want to sell kind of electronics, one kind of form we require. If you want to sell some beauty products, one kind of form we need to create. Right? For every product, the forms will be changed. So we cannot able to, generate them dynamically. So we need to fix the products also. What kind of products he wanted to sell. Appario wants to sell electronics, or Appario wants to sell shoes, online. Appario wants to sell shoes products online. We build system to publish shoes throughout the China country. He used to have so many warehouses around the China. That was a consolidated shoe company. Let us see how it is running. Consolidated shoe company. So for this guy, we built a product management system. This is just a front-end application. Retailer access, employee access. Yeah, from here, when they log in, it will go to product management system. Maybe it might redirect to different domain. But that's how he started for China company. He is Indian only. He was running that throughout China. He was selling shoe products, and he is maintaining all that products via his product management system, and he is having warehouses across the China. He is having warehouses across China and number of employees there. They will log in and they will maintain the products data, and they will publish the data. They can search the quantity, and if there are any less products, or if they wanted to upload any images, everything, entire system they used to maintain. So when they wanted to sell it online, okay. So what kind of questions you will get from here? So while collecting requirements, first we need to start with how many how many types of users you have in your system. This is how requirements we need to collect, right? How many types of users will use system, so that we can at least identify the roles. So Aparia will tell. I have so many employees in warehouse. They used to parcel the products and they used to deliver it to the customers. And I have one warehouse owner. He will note down how many products he is maintaining across his warehouse and what is sold today and how much revenue we got. That everything he will maintain. And if there is any stock coming in stock also, he will update, and he will send emails, something he will explain. So when we ask how many users will use the system, we will ask question, who wants to use your system, whatever we build here. So physically, one warehouse admin is taking care of all the product maintenance in the warehouse level. And across the China or across the country, I wanted to maintain all these users. So I need two roles here. One is I wanted to act like a super admin, right? To manage all warehouse employees and data. And I need one warehouse admin. I need one warehouse admin. And I need one warehouse admin. He will manage products data. End of the day, as a super admin, I should able to do anything. And the warehouse admin should able to add products, delete products, update products, upload images, and all. So each role wise, we have to collect the requirements. As a super admin, what you want to do. As a warehouse admin, what you want to do. So as a warehouse admin, I wanted to, super admin can do anything. Warehouse admin basically who will manage this product management system. He will say, I wanted to create if there is any new brand introduced, I want to create new brands. And again, for each brand, we will have so many categories. When you visit one shoe brand Nike, they will have so many categories. Menswear, womenswear, again in menswear, we will have various types of categories. So I want to create new brands. I want to create new categories. Out of these categories, the warehouse admin should able to create. I want to create new categories. I want to create new item for each category. After item for each item, I want to upload product, multimedia, images. We may embed video, images, audio. We can do anything. We will do that. I want to upload product multimedia. And what else you want to do? I want to search products data. I want to search products data, which means across warehouse he is having, let's say 1 lakh products. If you want to know one product about one product stock details, by going into the system and identifying it, that particular product is not a simple task. He may need a search box. There he will enter, that product name, and he will click on search button. Then we should able to pull that information and showcase here. The product data we should able to showcase here. Yeah, Ankit, we will talk on this, okay? Yeah. So when this person or when this admin try to search for this product, he should able to bring that products data here in very less time. When you have millions of products here, let's say I have 1 crore items list here. 1 crore items list here. Bringing that items data here on simple click search, it's not an easy task. Really from database, if you want to filter it out and bring it here, it will take definitely good amount of time. So as we thought yesterday, right, we will apply some kind of searching mechanism here so that from database we will pull the data and put it into search engine. So from the search engine, getting this data is not a big deal. Quickly it can get the data from the search engine and populates here. Based on the keywords, it will go here and bring the data here. So that search engine implementation also I want here. I want to search products data quickly. And as a super admin, what you want to do? I wanted to do all activities which warehouse admin is having. If warehouse admin is not present, I will take care of it. I want to do all activities like warehouse admin. And next thing, I wanted to manage warehouse admins, which means if you want to create login credentials to him, he should able to create. If you don't want, he can able to disable it also. That activities I wanted to do as a super admin. Fine. What else we thought? We have raw requirements, right? Not this one. Okay. And we thought to see warehouses data also, right? In which all locations we have warehouses. Warehouse information. I want to see warehouse information, or I want to add or manage warehouse details. So in which location warehouse is located, what is the capacity of it, how much rent we are paying, just to manage, right? Quickly he can go and see what are all the, locations he have, how much revenue getting from each warehouse, who is doing good business. We can see everything. And one more thing here, I want to publish products into e-commerce. We don't have any API, but yeah, at least we will put a sample e-commerce project and we will publish it so that we can see how the data will drive from product management system to e-commerce application. So this details very high level, the BA will get it from this product owner. We call him as a product. I mean, whoever give the requirements to us, right? We call it him product owner. So if it is your business, you wanted to sell products online across the country, you are the product owner. So you have the better idea what you want to achieve from this application. One of my friend, he started online food delivery application. So he is the product owner. He made some software company and he given all his requirements. So there when he meet the company, they will assign a BA who is having good understanding on that particular domain so that he can share his requirements with him. So finally, he got his application and he started business. So here, if you want to start your business, you are the product owner. Let's say you don't have time, you are taking care of business. You may deploy one person here as a product owner who is having idea about your business, or else he will meet you on a daily basis and collect or talk about your business, and he will explain that requirements to BA. Mostly the business owners will act like product owners here, and they will explain the requirements. Until finishing this application, they will be in touch with us. So initial discussions will start from between BA and product owners. Where development will start. Once collecting all the requirements, he will document it. As I said, right, he will document it. Just a minute. Yeah. So let us keep these requirements into our drive. Here we created, right? We go to drive. Okay. So here he need to create a good business requirement document. BA need to create a business requirement document to explain the use cases, and he need to prepare some mocks so that he can explain to the software development team what actually this product owner wants. So as part of this business requirement documents, he note down all the business requirements, and he may draw use cases here. You may ask him to draw use cases via UML diagrams also he can explain. So I have one UML software, star UML. He may draw. So install it. It's a small, lightweight software, open source only. So here I wanted to create use case diagrams. I'll explain you why use case diagrams. Add diagram. First we'll start with use case. You guys able to see this? Actor. As we have two roles, right? How many actors will involve into the system? One super admin and one warehouse admin. What he wanted to do, super admin, via diagrammatic way we are trying to explain the use cases to business or development team so that easily they will understand. Mostly, nowadays I'm seeing people are missing it. Everything they are explaining, via description only, by writing number of lines description that people will not remember. If you draw something like a pictorial representation and if you show it to anyone, that will easily understandable, though he is a technical or non-technical, easily he will understand the requirements. So we will say he is the person, super admin. He wanted to manage warehouse admins. He wanted to manage warehouse admins here. Manage warehouse admin. This is the action. He is the person wanted to do this action. As a super admin, he wanted to manage warehouse admins. Yeah, it's okay. Manage warehouse admins, which means create or update, delete all that actions. And as a super admin, he wanted to manage warehouse locations, and details. As a super admin, he wanted to do or manage warehouse locations and details. Warehouse locations or its details. Now, if I ask someone to have a look into this diagram and understand what's happening, easily he can understand. He will say super admin wanted to do, maintain warehouse admins and want to maintain warehouse locations. Via pictorial representation, it is easy to them to understand. Whatever we have written in the description, the same thing we have in a pictorial format. So use snapping tool and just capture it. Copy, paste. Okay. So, okay, with super admin tasks are completed. Only the 2 points we noted, right? Warehouse admin details and the other all activities he wanted to do, like warehouse admin, whatever he do, all that activities. Okay, we'll put that there in another diagram. Where is my star unit? Yeah, here it is. Now draw warehouse admin use case also here. Here's a super admin. Now warehouse admin. As a warehouse admin, I wanted to manage multiple brands. For each brand, I want to manage multiple categories. And for again each category, from each category, I want to manage multiple items. So here all these activities like warehouse admin is doing, right? Similar way, super admin also should able to do. So we don't need a separate diagram. Oh, or super admin. Yeah. Manage items, and you wanted to search items, search. Search itself is a again big module for us, right? So for him it looks like give me a simple search, but for us it is difficult in the implementation, right? When you have huge number of products, not an easy task to search items from database. We need to implement some search engine mechanism here. Okay, so items data, search items. Okay, and what else we have in requirement? Create new categories, items, upload multimedia, manage multimedia, right? For each item, we should be able to upload all the images, or audio files, video files, whatever we have. And what is that final activity? Publish. And coupons also we thought, right? Coupons and offers. I don't know. Okay. Coupons and offers. He may wanted to maintain. Yes, he can do that. And publishing it. Publish to ecom. So once everything is ready, if you feel that okay, I can able to sell, you need to publish it into ecom. Apart from this, from sales side, we may have so many things like how much items he sold, what he gained. That is again a different system. Okay, we cannot able to manage all such here. Let's snap it. So with this pictorial representation, it is easy to explain anyone now. If anybody look into this picture itself, they can easily understand what he wants. Even for explaining to technical people, it is easy. If they can see this, they can understand, okay, there are two roles. One role wanted to do so and so activities. Second role wanted to do so and so activities. Okay, let's design the system. Once done with this, okay, we'll create pure functional document. There we will specify how many entities required, what are all the attributes, that all we will collect. Okay, that exercise we will do it from Monday. Okay, and by mid of the week, we should able to complete this requirements collection and we will start the development. Between we will discuss the tools like Git for maintaining repositories, how to create clones, how developers can merge it. Okay, we'll discuss all that. Okay, any questions so far? Ankit, I'll talk to you offline. Okay, you may ping to me with your details. Okay, I'll talk to you. Guys, am I audible? So from Monday, regular sessions will start. Please get the link. Okay, if anybody joined new today, join our WhatsApp group, which I have shared. Let me share it again. So that all communication will happen through that group. Project PMS. To share it. Okay, invite a group via link. Call. Yeah. So please sign up yourself here into this WhatsApp group. And from Monday, you will get the regular link. Okay, please get it. And yeah, we'll start the regular sessions. If any doubts, you can ask. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. So from Monday session, right, we will create wireframes like UI mockups and all. We will follow a order, like how we follow in real-time development. We will do the same practice here, same timings, 6:30 to 7:30. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today. Okay. So if you have any doubts, reach out to me. You have my number, right? In that WhatsApp group, you can ping me. I'll be available. Okay. Thank you guys. If nothing else, we'll close for today. We'll connect on Monday session. Thank you all. Have a good day. Happy weekend.